welcome back to Floorland. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vinyl flooring. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a homeowner planning a renovation, or just curious about the latest trends in flooring, you're in for a treat. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about vinyl flooring, from its types and features to its aesthetic appeal and the numerous benefits it offers. So, let's kick off this flooring fiesta. Types of vinyl flooring. First things first, let's explore the wide array of vinyl flooring options available in the market. Vinyl flooring comes in various types, each offering its own set of unique characteristics and design possibilities. From luxury vinyl planks, LVP, to vinyl tiles and sheet vinyl, there's a vinyl flooring solution to suit every style and budget. Whether you're looking to replicate the look of hardwood, stone, or ceramic tiles, vinyl flooring offers a versatile and cost-effective alternative. Features of vinyl flooring. Now, let's delve into the features that make vinyl flooring a popular choice among homeowners and designers alike. One of the standout features of vinyl flooring is its durability. Designed to withstand the rigors of daily life, vinyl flooring is resistant to scratches, stains, and water damage, making it ideal for high-traffic areas such as kitchens, bathrooms, and entryways. Additionally, vinyl flooring is easy to install thanks to its innovative click lock or peel and stick installation systems. This makes it a great option for DIY enthusiasts looking to tackle home improvement projects without the need for professional assistance. Aesthetic appeal of vinyl flooring. Now, let's talk about the aesthetic appeal of vinyl flooring. Vinyl flooring offers an extensive array of colors, patterns, and finishes to suit every design preference and aesthetic theme. Whether you're aiming for a cozy farmhouse vibe, a sleek modern look, or a vibrant pop of color, there's a vinyl flooring option to bring your vision to life. Benefits of vinyl flooring. Now that we've covered the types, features, and aesthetic appeal of vinyl flooring, let's discuss the numerous benefits it offers to homeowners. First and foremost, vinyl flooring is incredibly low maintenance, requiring only regular sweeping and occasional mopping to keep it looking its best. Unlike hardwood or tile flooring, vinyl flooring doesn't require sealing or refinishing, saving you time and money on maintenance. Furthermore, vinyl flooring is a budget-friendly option compared to other flooring materials, making it an ideal choice for cost-conscious homeowners. Plus, with its long lifespan and resistance to wear and tear, vinyl flooring offers excellent value for money. Vinyl flooring is a versatile, durable, and stylish option for any home renovation project. Whether you're updating your kitchen, revamping your bathroom, or transforming your entire home, vinyl flooring is sure to exceed your expectations. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on flooring and home improvement. Until next time, happy flooring!